Prince Harry's wife and former American actress Meghan Markle has accused Buckingham Palace of perpetuating falsehoods about her and her spouse. She said that she and her husband would not be silent in telling their side of the story, reports Reuters. Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, made the comments to American talk show host Oprah Winfrey in an interview about why they quit their royal roles. The interview is due to be broadcast on US television on Sunday. An advance excerpt of the interview was released on Wednesday, hours after Buckingham Palace said it was very concerned about the reports in the Times newspaper that assistants working for Meghan 2 years ago has been bullied by her. Harry and Meghan issued a statement denying that she had bullied anyone. "How do you feel about the palace hearing you speak your truth today?" Winfrey asked Meghan in an excerpt. Meghan responded, "I don't know how they could expect that after all of this we would still just be silent if there is an active role that the firm is playing in perpetuating falsehoods about us." The firm is a name that the British royal family sometimes uses to describe itself. And if that comes with risk of losing things, I mean there's a lot that's been lost already, Meghan added. The interview was recorded before the Times newspaper ran a report citing unnamed sources as saying an aide to Harry and Meghan had raised a complaint on October 2018, alleging that Meghan had reduced some of her assistants to tears and treated others so badly that they had quit. The paper said Harry had urged the aide, who has now left their staff, to drop the complaint, and it never progressed. The Times said it had been contracted by the former staff members who wanted the public to gain insight before Winfrey interview aired, and that lawyers for the couple had labeled the allegations a smear orchestrated by the palace. "We are clearly very concerned about the allegations in the Times following claims made by former staff of the Duke and Duchess of Sussex," Buckingham Palace said in a statement. "The royal household does not and will not tolerate bullying or harassment in the workplace," it added. It said its HR team would look into the allegations and that members of the staff involved at the time would be invited to participate. A spokeswoman for Meghan said earlier that she was saddened by the latest attack on her character, particularly as someone who has been the target of bullying herself, and is deeply committed to supporting those who have experienced pain and trauma. Meghan and Harry, who married in May 2018, stepped back from their official duties in March last year to forge new careers and a financially independent life in California. The decision was confirmed last month when they also handed over their royal patronages. They said their move was fueled in part of intense press intrusion. However, Meghan had also previously indicated that she felt she did not have the full support of the royal family. In court documents submitted as part of her successful privacy action against mass circulation mail on Sunday, her lawyers said she had felt unprotected while she was pregnant with her son Archie. News Desk, Kaumudi English.